Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to look at the Explore tool built into Google Docs that hardly anybody ever knows about. This one's like a really great tool to use, too. So after you have some text in your Google Doc, all you have to do is highlight the thing that you want to research. So, for example, I'm going to highlight Beijing as the capital city of China. Highlight that phrase. You can do a single word, too, or a whole sentence. And then I'm going to right-click that. And under that, there's an option to explore. This opens up your Explore panel on the right, and you have three categories to explore: web results, images, and Google Drive. So the web results, Google is searching for you, and it brings up the top few hits. So the first one you'll see is Wikipedia, and you get a little blurb about what that article is about. And then the second one is the simple Wikipedia, and then Britannica.com. So you can choose which one you want, and you can actually click on it if you need more information. And here's the article about Beijing. And I can go right back to my Google Doc. What's great, though, are the images right here. It automatically does searches of Beijing, and you can pull straight from this library and put it into your Google Doc just by dragging. And then you can resize, you can get rid of it, you can do whatever you want and copy and paste it. So pretty handy. The Drive feature here searches for that phrase in all of your Google documents. So if I were to reduce this down to just the word Beijing and explore that, you see I have 3 documents in my Drive that have the word Beijing in it. Let's see if I research the word government. That's going to probably bring up quite a few. That is quite a few documents that are in my Google Drive with the word government in it. So pretty easy to get to, and you close it with the X and you're right back into editing your paper. So I hope you enjoy this tool. This is very useful. So stick that in the back of your brain and remember it for the next time you have a topic that you need to research real quick. All right. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.